into page 545, and then page 546 from the handout I gave you, right? And we're gonna do the tailored two-piece sleeve. You started already, right? Okay, thank you. All right. We're doing the tailored two-piece sleeve, okay? So from the handout that has 4 pages, that has a staple, is the 3rd page on it. So the upper and inner sleeve are drafted together. They are separated at the completion of the draft by tracing the undersleeve on another sheet of paper. The upper sleeve is cut from the remaining part of the sleeve. The two-piece sleeve is based on the basic jacket. Okay, so first, trace and cut the jacket or coat one-piece sleeve. Here we go. Fold the sleeve cap on the bicep line, touching at the center grain line. So I'm gonna take a shortcut from what it's actually saying because I wanna make sure that it makes it even. If I fold it and you have edge to edge at the bicep line, and then you fold it again, we have it divided in 4. Yes? I'm just creasing it to have an idea where it is. So now it's gonna be easy for me to fold this corner into the center line at the bicep line, except that we have a little problem. We need to have a new bicep line because we dropped it. So let's just have it as a guideline. Okay? So when I'm gonna close it here, I guess I need to cut some paper out. Thank you. They had good assistance. And then I'm gonna fold it here where I can't even see anything. I can't see a thing.
Are you folding it so that the lines are on
They're
top of each other?
meeting at the center.
Meeting, okay.
So that's why I divided it in 4. There I can see.
They're not on top of each other. Right?
No. They are meeting at the center. So can you see that you have a nice armhole? Okay? That's what you want to have. That's what it actually says here. Okay? So trace and cut the jacket or coat one-piece basic sleeve. Fold the sleeve cap, I didn't cut it. Fold the sleeve cap on the bicep line, touching at the center grain line. Draw the curve of the front and back undersleeve. Okay? So this is what we are going to do. We're going to draw those lines on this side so we can see them. Okay?
How come you don't want to cut it?
I don't know. I always like to have extra paper. I don't know. It's
Tape,
like a
tape,
safety
tape.
blanket.
Yeah.
Right. I mean, listen, I like to cut corners, but I like to cut corners that I'm safe, that I'm not going to regret it.
Yeah.
So having extra paper is my version of cutting corners, right?
Yeah.
So I have my armhole here. I could have used a tracing wheel. That would have been exactly the same. Oh, by the way, this is where the new notch on the back was because we did use a tracing wheel, right? I didn't want to lose that. Okay, so here we are. You see?
Yeah.
Okay? So this is going to be X. Don't get excited, it's only a double X, not triple. Okay? And repeat the instructions for the back sleeve. Unfold and label dots Y and Z. So this is what, hold on one second. It says mark dots at 1¼ inches from grain line and then square up. So we're going to measure 1¼ from here and square up. That doesn't look right. What it looks to me right is that you should be at the center of this.
They do it while it's folded though.
That's why I'm still 1¼ or unless it's asking us to measure here 1¼ That makes sense. I'm doing it like that because I want to see it on the other side.
What are you measuring?
Yeah, I wonder.
I'm gonna do it the other side. See, this is where it was folded before. This is the bicep line. I'm gonna measure 1¼ from that line until it touches the armhole. Okay? So from here to here is 1¼ 90 degrees.
What are you, I don't see it.
This is your bicep line.
Oh, okay.
You're gonna place your ruler at 1¼ until it touches the armhole. So I'm gonna keep sliding it until there. Now you see it?
Yeah.
Okay?
The same
So-
thing on the other side, right?
Huh?
We do the same thing on the other side.
We need to transfer it to the other side. Yes. So let's transfer it to the other side with this. And this one I can't see. So I'm gonna do here. Right? So we have this point here and we have this point here. We have this point here and we have this point here. Okay? So this is Z. This let me round out this. This is Z and this is Y. Y. Let me do circles because we have too many things going on. Are we all okay? Yes? Okay. Now, right here on the elbow line, I need to divide that in 4. So we're going to measure. This measures 12½ divided in 2,
6.
6¼ divided in 2, 3⅛.
Yes.
So we're going to have 3⅛, 3⅛, 3⅛, and 3⅛.
Wait, sorry, what did you measure?
We measure from here to here on the bicep line.
Is that the other one?
I'm sorry, elbow line. Yes. Huh? Yeah, those were my extra 2 points. Okay? Are we all okay? All right. So we're going to connect X to X. Oh, that's a triple X. And then we have a quadruple X. And we're going to do the same thing at the bottom of the sleeve. Okay? So see how the grain line is off center? That's fine.
Because of the
So,
dot.
exactly. So right here it measures 8. 8 divided in 4.
2.
Oh my God. One person is graduating.
Yay! It's not me though.
No, this doesn't measure right.
Yeah.
No. It is actually, I'm putting the ruler backwards. Okay. Slight detail. 10 divided in 2. 2½ Okay. 5, 7.5, and 10. So this is the fifth X, and this is the sixth X. So it's like super porn. Anyway, it's more than 3 X's. So we're gonna connect the X's. Don't worry that it's cutting through the dart a little bit. Okay? That is not a problem. Everybody okay? You see how the sleeve here, it's turning a little bit? Okay.
The dart's gonna go away though.
The dart is going to disappear. Actually, we're going to trace from here and we're going to get all the pieces at once. You're going to see. All right. So, figure 3. Instructions. X to Y equals 1 inch. Mark at the elbow, 1 inch. And mark at the hem, 3/4. Okay? So this is what we are going to do. 1 inch here and 3/4 of an inch here. And we're going to connect it.
This is Y.
Mm-hmm. Now we're going to do the same thing in here. So we're going to do 1 inch here, 3/4 here, and we're going to connect them. So now we're going to do the same thing on the opposite side. 1 inch on either side. And at the hem, 3/4 on either side. And we're going to connect them. I should have brought more colors on those markers because it all is copied from here.
There's so many lines.
There's like nice zebra markers with highlighters that has like all types of funky colors.
I have it in my office.
Zebra, like it's like the zebra highlighters.
Pausing.